Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Alex. Please do subscribe. I post yoga videos every day. This will be a short flow designed to energize you, get you moving. Begin at the top of your mat, the top of your space. Stand evenly between both feet. Connect yourself to the present moment by bringing your awareness to the breath. Breathing in and out through the nose as best as you can. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Look up between your shoulder width hands, lift. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold over the legs. Halfway lift, inhale, flat back. And from here, hands down, step back to plank pose. Lower all the way down. Tops of the feet on the mat, cobra. Roll the shoulders back. Lift up. Use the middle upper back strength, elbows in. Lower down. Press up to a strong tabletop. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Feet are hip width, hands shoulder width. Pedal this first one out. Just feeling out where you are right now in this present moment. Let's look between the hands, walk or hop forward to a forward fold, and relax over the legs. Knees are soft. Round up to standing. Arms overhead. Bring the palms to touch. Look up at them and reach. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. And from this look up position, hands down, step back to a plank pose. Downward facing dog, press up and back. The right foot will step between the hands for warrior one. Back foot is flat at about 45 degrees. Try to square your hips to the top of the mat. I like about a little bit of extra space between the feet widthwise. Arms overhead. Bend the right knee. Breathe. Warrior one. One more breath in. Exhale, hands float down to frame the right foot. Lift onto the toes of the left foot. We are in a lunge. Inhale, lower the left knee. Leave the toes tucked, shoulders are back. Long exhale, press to pyramid pose, trying to straighten both legs. Might not happen right away. Lunge, shift the weight forward. Lunge twist, left hand down, right arm up. Right hand back down. We're stepping to the top of the mat. Let's step onto the right foot, lift the left. Walk the hands forward about a foot or so and just lift your left leg up to 90 degrees. Forward fold at the top of your mat, standing on both feet. Round up to standing. Arms above the head. Gentle back bend, lift up, reach up. Inhale again. And exhale, forward fold. Long inhale, halfway lift. And step back to plank. Downward facing dog. Left foot, warrior one. Step to the top of your mat. Back foot is flat. I like hands to hips. It helps me to feel like I'm going in the right direction in terms of squaring them to the top of the mat, arms overhead. Try not to arch the chest forward. Float the hands down to frame the left foot. Lift onto the toes of the right foot for a lunge. Feel a stretch in the back foot. Strengthen the right leg. And we will lower the right knee, draw the shoulders back. Press back to a pyramid pose. Lunge. Lunge twist, right hand down, left arm opens up. Left hand back down. We're going to step onto your left foot, lift the right, just 90 degrees. Forward fold at the top of your mat, relax over both legs. Bend the knees. Utkatasana, chair pose. Wiggle the toes. Shoulders down, palms face each other, fingertips reach away from the tailbone. Leave the arms overhead. Stand up. Create some good posture with the lower body. Lengthen the tailbone, soften the shoulders. Breathe. Inhale, look up between the hands, reach. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold over the legs. Halfway lift, inhale. Step it back to plank pose. Downward facing dog. Balance on the left foot, reach the right leg back and up, squeeze the right glute, press into the right hand to level the shoulders as best you can. Switch sides, stand on the right foot, lift the left back and up. Let the hips open, level the shoulders. Downward facing dog. Lift up onto your toes, tuck the chin, and ripple through to upward facing dog. Let's linger here for a moment. Press the weight into the front part of your hands, unshrug the shoulders. Untuck the toes, lean on the left hip, look over the right shoulder. Switch sides. Back to center. Inhale, open up the front of the body. Exhale back to child's pose. Let's make it a wide-kneed child's pose. Big toes together. Walk your hands in a little bit and thread the right arm underneath the left. Use your left hand as a pillow, forehead down. Right palm is up. And switch sides. Right arm reaches forward, left arm underneath, and then use your hand as a pillow. Breathe. And release. Press up to a tabletop. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Tabletop puppy pose. Walk your hands toward the top of the mat and bring your forehead down. Feeling this stretch underneath the shoulders. Make sure the hips stay over the knees. Shift your weight forward into Sphinx pose. Prop up onto your forearms, about forearms with distance between each arm, and press down under the wrists, the elbows, shoulders down. Pull the chest through. Release. Rest your forehead on the left hand. Pull the right foot into the glute and press your hips into the mat for a quad stretch. Switch sides. Keep your focus on the present moment for just a little bit longer. Release. Press up to a tabletop. And bring the soles of your feet to touch. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, fold over the legs, round or flat spine. Just find a place you can breathe in. And sit up. Let's sit comfortably. Relax the shoulders down. Sit nice and tall. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. And twist to the right. Float the hands down. Left hand to the right knee. Right hand is your kickstand. Switch sides. Lift up. And to the left, twist. Come back to center for a closing breath. Inhale. Arms are so wide. Breathe in. Lift your gaze. Lift your spirits. One more breath at the top. Long exhale. Lower the hands down to your sides or heart center. Gratitude for the present moment. Gratitude for your practice. I am so grateful to have you joining me today and as often as you need. Let me know what you think with a comment, a like, a subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste.